If you're experiencing login failures on your Xbox Series X, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Xbox Series X is connected to the internet. You can do this by going to the settings and checking the network status. If there is an issue with your connection, try restarting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Restart your Xbox. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve login issues. Press and hold the Xbox button on your console for about 10 seconds until it turns off. Wait a few moments, then turn it back on and try logging in again. Step 3. Clear the cache. Clearing the cache can help fix various issues. To do this, turn off your Xbox and unplug it from the power source. Wait for at least 10 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This will refresh the system and may resolve the login failure. Step 4. Check Xbox Live status. Visit the Xbox Live status page to check if there are any ongoing service outages or issues. If there are problems with Xbox Live, you may need to wait until the service is restored before you can log in. Step 5. Reset your password. If you suspect that your login failure is due to incorrect credentials, try resetting your password. Go to the Microsoft account website, follow the prompts to reset your password, and then attempt to log it again on your Xbox. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure on your Xbox Series X. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance. Happy gaming!